Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into useful function of Excel, the LEN function. Have you ever struggled with fitting product descriptions or text data within a specific character limit? Maybe you're managing online listings or need to analyze word lengths. Well, the LEN formula is here to save the day. The LEN function in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to count the number of characters in a cell, including letters, numbers, symbols, and even spaces. This can be incredibly useful for various tasks, such as ensuring text meets character limitations for online stores or forms, analyzing text data to understand word or sentence lengths, manipulating text strings based on their character count. The syntax for the LEN formula is straightforward. Here, text represents the cell containing the text string you want to analyze. Let's jump into an example to see LEN in action. We have a data set with product descriptions. We want to know the character count for each product description to ensure they fit within a 100-character limit for online listings. Let's use the formula. Equals to type LEN, brackets open, select the text you want to count the character, bracket close, and press enter. You'll see the number of characters in the product description. Now, to find the character count for all the remaining product descriptions, simply drag the formula down to the remaining cells. We can add a visual aid. Select column C, where the character counts are displayed, and go to the conditional formatting menu. Choose Highlight Cells Rules, and then Greater Than. Set the value to, let's suppose, 50, and choose a formatting style, example, red fill color, to easily identify descriptions exceeding the 50-character limit. This will help you quickly see which descriptions need to be shortened. So next time you need to analyze character counts in your spreadsheets, remember the LEN formula. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments below what other Excel challenges you'd like to see tackled in the future videos. Until next time, happy excelling!